The 388 petition. Come with me so I can explain to you how you might save your parental rights. Welfare and Institutions Code Section 388 is a mechanism that parents can use, really anybody can use, in order to ask the judge to do anything. In terms of losing your parental rights, you probably want to file a 388 petition in order to get more family reunification services or the child returned to you before the selection and implementation hearing under Section 366.26. What is a 388 petition? Well, in California, they've made it somewhat easy, but it's a little misleading. If you Google Welfare and Institutions Code, or WIC, W-I-C 388, the statute and the form will come up on Google. When you look at the form, it's only about 4 pages, and people think that they can fill that out and just submit it and get what they want on a 388 petition. You can't do that in most cases. In most cases, you're going to only have one really good shot. So you need to talk to your attorney or get an attorney to file this 388 petition. In addition to the form, the optimum strategy is to file declarations under penalty of perjury from witnesses that support your 388 request. You'd also want to file pictures and videos that support your 388 request. You'd also want to file exhibits from your family reunification services provider that shows that you have completed the plan, completed the course, completed the counseling, that you've been testing clean, all your drug tests, evidence like that. You need to file all of that so that the judge can make a determination on whether you're going to get a hearing. Yes, I didn't say the judge is going to grant your 388. The first thing the judge does is decide on whether you have produced enough evidence to even be entitled to a 388 hearing. And a lot of that is done these days by having a pre-hearing on the 388 petition. In the old days, the judge would just grant or deny your 388 petition. Nowadays, people are allowed to argue for or against your 388 petition. Not too long ago, I filed a 388 for a client, and we had a pre-hearing. I went there ready to do the trial because I thought the court had granted me a hearing. But what the court told me was, no, I only granted you a hearing to decide whether you were going to get a 388 petition hearing. And at that hearing, I could win or lose. So I had to argue against a minor's attorney, a county counsel, and another relative attorney for my 388. And I got the impression that the judge didn't want to grant me that hearing. But we did get the hearing granted, and we eventually had the hearing and the trial. At the hearing and the trial, the case was settled without calling witnesses and without producing evidence, because we had a strong case. We subpoenaed all of our witnesses to court. We got all our documents lined up in an exhibit list and in a witness list, so we were prepared to go. So that's how you do a 388 petition. Don't just think you fill out the form, because your odds of getting what you want are going to be substantially lower. You know, you're probably watching this video because you have questions. I answer questions like this every day. If you have questions, give me a call. I'd love to speak to you. 888-888-6582, 888-888-6582. You know, thank you for watching this video. Click like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that I can continue to do videos like this for folks like you.